I have my little guy and I here today, and we're gonna do a super easy and quick Valentine craft for you guys. We are making what? Mini lightsabers. What color did you pick? Green. Green. Okay, so all you need is 3 things. We need, what's this?
Tape.
Some gray duct tape. We need
Yellow.
glow sticks, yellow glow stick, and a black Sharpie. Right? We get started? Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna take a little bit of your gray tape, and you just want to put it on the bottom of your glow stick down here. Oh, are you coloring yours? Good job. Don't. We better put a paper under you so you don't color on the table, huh? Okay, perfect. Let's wait for just a minute so I can help you and grab a paper to put under you. Okay. First, we're gonna wrap it. Should we wrap it? We need our handle, right? Okay, so we're gonna wrap it around. You're just gonna wrap the gray tape around and then cut it off. Can you hand me those scissors? Great, thank you. Okay, so we cut it. Perfect. We're just gonna finish rolling it. So there you have that gray little handle on the bottom of your glow stick. Now, ooh, big sister to the rescue, thank you. Okay, so we have this black paper underneath, so now we're gonna draw on our gray tape. You can do lines, you can do circles, whatever you want to make your lightsaber cool. Does it look great? Okay, you did so good. And there we have it, our finished lightsaber. We do a few things on there. And when you're done, you can crack it, light it up, and have an epic lightsaber battle, right? Let's do it. Oh, he wants to go in the dark. That's a good thing. You should probably go in the dark so they will glow up.